Hi guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So I wanted to start some short little videos and focus on one coin each video. So hopefully minutes only the videos only run for a couple of minutes or so. But I just wanted to start off today with the 1972 5-cent coin. So here I have lots of 1972 5-cent coins. They all have the echidna. Of course, these are Australian coins. They have a small SD underneath the 5, which is the designer's initials, Stuart Devlin. A bit hard to see there, but there's a nice close-up of the echidna there, lying on its back. So yeah, we have lots of different kinds here. Some filthy ones. This one's not too bad, but does have a bit of a, you can see a bit of a graze on it. So these are all circulated coins. So these are all ones that I've found while noodling. This is the lowest minted 5-cent coin. Well, that was until 2016, but even so, it is still a low mintage coin with a mintage of, which we'll just bring it across into the book here, and we look up 1972, and we have 8.25 million of these guys made, and as you can see that the numbers are much higher all around it there. Getting up into the 100 millions. Just sort of showing you the early ones there, but the numbers don't seem to change that much more. They do get higher as some of the years go on there, but yeah, over 300 million there in 2006. But yeah, the 1972 is the one that is the hardest to find, and certainly if you want to collect 5-cent coins, you need to find this one. I suppose I probably find one in every probably $100 worth of 5-cent coins, so very rare to find, and quite difficult, and it is something special when you do find one. So these guys are selling in this sort of grade for $5, maybe a little bit more, but certainly a great little turn. Alright guys, thanks for watching.